So I think I'm gonna do something I'm gonna regret later or not. I'm gonna cut my hair because I don't like it anymore, and I am so bad at interacting with people that I'm really scared of going to salon to cut my hair. But I know I want layers, so I watched bunch of YouTube videos, and here I am with the confidence, and I hope it doesn't turn out to be like last time and you're gonna tell me, Shamapti, you'd never learn, you'll never learn. And I agree, I'd never learn. Let's start. So the first step to cut my hair would be to comb it. My hair is growing so fast and I'm taking care of it, but frankly I'm bored of my hair because I don't know, I want more volume, more texture. The first step would be to comb it properly so it gets easier. I shampooed my hair 3 days back, or I don't know how many days back, but my hair feels fine. And I'm gonna need the video that I bookmarked. So what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to find a video that I saved for reference, a haircut video that looked very good and I thought I can do it. I'm kind of confident, or am I? Should I be? I lost it. Let's do it. Scissors are here. This is my hair, which I'm gonna cut. Okay, I'm changing into a t-shirt because I don't want to like mess my dress. And this is Anirban's t-shirt, so the thing I have to do is very simple. So they are actually tying the hair like this. I have loss of hair. I mean loss and loss of hair. Then I'm gonna cut the ends because ends are like they have become a little bit dry. I have to go farther, right? If you can't hear, did I press the record button? Yeah, I did. Hi. So I'm gonna cut my hair. But my hair looks very uneven. I don't know why. See, it looks so uneven. Okay, no worries. Anirban is not at home. He's gonna freak out. He should, as he should. So I don't know from where to cut. This much should do. I think I didn't tie my ponytail properly. It shouldn't look uneven. Like this. Yeah. You get it? You take all the hair from back here and then tie the ponytail in the middle. This is middle, right? Yeah. Oh no. I have lots of hair. Then this is the third attempt of doing the ponytail. I even didn't start cutting the hair. Hi. I cut my hair now. Just I'm evening it out here. Oh no, no, oh no. This is the first cut. Alright, now I'm gonna cut a bit more. This much. Am I sure? Yeah. Now I'm shaping it. I think it's done. Now let's see how it looks. Honestly, I don't see any difference. Like, there's a bit of a layer over here, just here. That's all. And from the back, frankly, I didn't see much difference with the first cut. but it is supposed to be the length, so I think I'm gonna see much difference now, and I'm gonna go for a second layer. Maybe then I'm gonna see difference. So for that, I'm gonna take hair from this portion and this portion, and I'm gonna tie it. I know this is very confusing, but this is actually not a tutorial, you know, this is me experimenting. One experiment video, not a tutorial, if it makes sense. Alright, and I'm gonna cut it like this much for layer. And पीछे से I have kept the length this much. This much would do, I think. Let's cut it. And I don't want to dark it up, so I'm not gonna be like too drastic. So I'm taking this amount, this little amount. This is small hair, so let it be. And I'm cutting it. Okay. Yeah. I'm not cutting it evenly because I don't know. I have to make it even. Do you see any difference? See the layer, see here? But I don't know. Is it funny layer or like good layer? What do you think? Let me see in the mirror. I like it, I really do. I don't know if you can see it, but I have layers now. See? I want more, so I'm gonna go for third. This is how it looks from behind. So for the third, I'm gonna take less amount than I took for the second. I'm shaking. I think this tape is gonna make or mar my layer, you know. This is the thing. Alright, no, I need to leave out more hair. But how to? Like this portion? It's just I'm doing this like 50% tutorial, 50% intuition. Because I notice when I try follow the tutorials like 100%, it turns out to be, I don't know why, disaster. So 50% is my intuition, you know, the amount of hair I'm cutting. So yeah, so I took this amount of hair that I want to cut now for the third step. I'm really tensed because I like it so far, so I don't want to mess it up. I didn't tie my hair properly, but doesn't matter. Or does it? No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It's okay for me, but yeah, you be cautious if you're trying this, watching me. Be cautious because most of the things I'm doing, I don't even know what I'm doing. So I'm gonna cut this amount of hair. I'm not cutting too much because last time I cut too much, that led to a big disaster, which I don't want for this. And I want good haircut, not, you know, haircut gone wrong. I want one successful video. Gone wrong videos, they look fun, but they are not. Making it even. I don't know if you can see it or not. I can't see it. Our third layer is done, huh? So let me see how it looks. I'm nervous. I'm really nervous. It's the third layer. It's cool. It's pretty cool. I like it. Alright. So fourth layer this time. I'm gonna take even less hair for this one, leaving out this amount of hair for the length. I really like it so far. I hope this works. I think this is my best haircut so far that I've done by myself. Yeah. I'm gonna cut it. My hands are shaking. So going for my fourth layer, fourth round. I think I cut too much, but this is too late to apologize, and I really hope it works. I really cut too much, but I think I got too much, like, more confident than I should have been. I should stop talking. I think I made a mistake. Or not. I don't know. My father is here. Wait. So this is the fourth layer. How it looks. My father couldn't even understand I did something, so yeah, good news, I guess. So I really like how it looks from the back. I really do. I really do. This is, I think, very cool. So now I'm going in for the fifth layer. Fifth step, whatever that is. So for that I'm gonna take even less hair, and I'm really happy with how it turned out to be this far. Yeah, this much would do. I'm gonna cut this much. It's a miracle I didn't cut my finger. Seriously. But I'm liking the result, so yay. I should stop talking. Alright, I'm done. Don't lie to me, how is it? Please don't lie. I hope it's good. Let me see. I don't know what you have to say, but I think this is awesome. It suits my face. I am loving this. I do, but I think I want to cut my length. I want shorter hair, so I'm going again for shortening my length. So I think I'd like to cut this much because I want a little bit short hair. Alright. I'm not thinking because I would think I won't do it. Yeah, it looks good. And I think I'm gonna do something like a long fringe. For that, I'd be cutting this much. This much would do. It doesn't look like I have cut too much hair, right? But not true. Not true. It's a lot. And we had this, and I'm happy. Yeah, it doesn't look too perfect and all, but who cares? I did it. Turns out to be I'm not done yet. I want to cut this much. I hope I'm not making a mistake. And this is going to be the last. Here how it looks, all the layers and stuff. Frankly, I know it's not perfect. It's not even near perfect, My hair deserved better, but I love it. I do. I love it. And I'm gonna do it at home, I think, from now on onwards, but be honest, let me know how it looks. So I'm not in a delusion into thinking that it looks good on me. Alright, so this is how it looks from the back. It's gonna look better if I shampoo and all. I'm really happy with it. I'm not saying it's the best haircut, but I'm happy.